Hey friends, if you encounter the error fail to create d3d9 device and you wish to fix it, then please watch this video. Now this is associated with the DirectX and it needs a proper version of the graphics card. So first of all, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. The next one is to reinstall DirectX. So search for DirectX in the search bar and hit enter. Then go to the DirectX download page. Click on download corresponding to DirectX. Click on open. Select I accept the agreement. Next, next, and then let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.